gentlemen, and welcome to our Uber. We're en route to Mexico City, where we booked an apartment for a month. Now, I'm a little worried because I was looking for like 2 weeks and I couldn't find a place under $1,000 on Airbnb. Like, the market is really tough out here, like expensive. And then I kind of got frustrated. I'm like to Felicia, like, should we go somewhere else? And then Felicia took over and she booked a place for like $300. And I'm like, what?
Normally, I would never advise anyone to book on Airbnb if there are no reviews, but this seemed too good to be true. Hopefully it's okay. The lady seems nice. The photos look really nice. It's not in a fancy neighborhood, but it's still really central. 300 US for a whole month. And luckily Wes trusts my judgment and we're headed there now, and hopefully I didn't screw up.
Like, there's no number 5 here.
This doesn't look like the pictures, guys.
Hola, Diana. Hola, es Felicia. Estamos aquí, pero no creo que es.
Okay. It's around the corner. Welcome to our loft, guys.
Well, you know, we've always wanted to live in a tiny house, I think. This is a great opportunity.
I was a little bit nervous yesterday because our Uber dropped us off in front of a building that looked nothing like the photos. But we're here. It's a small space, but really functional. We had a good night's sleep, and I think that we really lucked out for 300 US. I'm really happy to have a little mini kitchen. I like cooking, and it has everything that we need. And we even have this little couch, and it folds out into a single bed. And if anyone wants to come, I guess we could host you. It's a whole fold out.
So this is technically a 3-bedroom apartment.
Yeah, it's a 3-bedroom. I mean, they call it a loft, but it's like a very mini loft, like a studio. And like Wes said, like, there was a time where we really wanted to have our own tiny house. And this is bigger than a tiny house.
Okay, this is how this works. You have the stairs. See, they're on an angle, so you can't walk up them yet. But you gotta lift it up. You gotta pull it back. Voila, you have some stairs.
You gotta lock it. Did you lock it?
No, it's locked. See, yeah, you can lock the stairs because it slides. The whole stairs slide.
Kind of like in the libraries.
But there's no guard. Like you could fall off your bed.
When was the last time you fell off?
I haven't fell off the bed in a long time, but you could. So you just have to do that a couple times a day. And then there, it's put away. It's like it's not even there. Here's your lounge chair.
My lounge chair. Oh, to sit outside. We have a cute little balcony. I mean, this isn't a balcony chair, it's a stool, but I guess we could have our coffee out here maybe. It's like I'm in jail.
Okay guys, the internet here in this apartment, it's like one internet for the whole building, the whole complex. I'm thinking like it's gonna be bad. It is to die for. Oh my God, 46 megabytes per second down and 19 up. That is like, for Mexican standards, that's so good. And for me, if we go to a hotel or someone's house, I drain internet. As being a video editor and stuff like that, I destroy people's internet. So this is good.
We've got a cute little bathroom, and it's actually bigger than some of the other bathrooms that we've seen while traveling. Lots of hot water, which is a bonus. But my favorite parts are actually outside of our room. We're in a complex where there are 4 floors of these mini lofts, and each floor has a common area. Downstairs, it almost looks like a little cafe, like couches and tables. There's more lounge space on this floor for leisurely magazine reading. Free laundry and dryer. And now we are on the rooftop garden, and they even have like solar panels that I didn't notice before. But it's so nice here. Mini gym, also free. And possibly the best part that we haven't tried out yet is a rooftop pool.
So Stupid Wes in the Campeche video said that these big tanks here were for heating the water from the sun. I don't know who told me that, but they're actually for water pressure. Like, because they're at the highest point of the building, something to do with it going down creates pressure.
Pumping or something?
I'm not really sure how it works. And this neighborhood, I think it's because of the location that is why it's cheap. All around the building, you can see, how do they say in Spanish? Chicas de la noche. So the neighborhood, I'm not sure about the neighborhood yet. You know, that's the thing we're kind of worried about. Like, I pulled a muscle on my neck. There's got to be a reason why this place is only $300. Because when I looked, everything was $1,000, $1,200. So the only thing I can think of, it is the neighborhood. This is a shitty neighborhood. We've seen these streetwalkers, the girls, and I saw some homeless people right out front. I saw a lot of closed down shops, and it has me worrying because.
You make it sound like I booked this in a shitty place.
Well, what do you think? I looked outside and...
I told you yesterday what's nearby.
No, you didn't tell me nothing.
Okay. 5 minutes that way, there's a Walmart.
No way.
And 5 minutes that way, look it up. There's a gym and there's a co-working space right beside the gym. So I did my research. I wouldn't have booked this in like a sketchy place.
Okay, I gotta check this out.
And a lot of things might have been closed because it was the weekend or whatever, but I think a lot of times we book a 1 month place. We've probably done this in like 8 or 9 different cities all over the world. And there always seems to be something missing, like either there's bad internet or the dogs are barking too loud and Wes can't sleep, or there's no hot water.
That's not true.
But this time I actually think that for like the cheapest price, like this is cheaper than Lviv even. We have ticked off everything that we wanted.
Okay, I gotta check this out here. Mexicans love their speakers. Felicia puts back things that she didn't even drop.
I used to what?
Stupid son.
I used to work in retail, so I feel their pain. This is the exact same gym equipment that our building has, except some of ours doesn't work.
It's so great living by a Walmart. I love my sparkling water. So many choices. Cans, glass bottles, plastic.
Why are you so addicted to sparkling water?
I wonder if you have to pay extra for glass.
We just got to a really big square by our place, and it's called Plaza de la República. And I wanted to show Wes that the co-working space is literally right over there. Like, we can see it. And around the corner over here, or I can also see the gym. So
that's actually
Wes,
pretty good. That is not bad. I am happy. Like this, how far is this? Like 5-minute walk?
Yeah, maybe less than 5 minutes walk from our place. Massive monument over here. And just down that way is Paseo de la Reforma. If you guys saw our first, when we first started this YouTube channel in Mexico City, I fell off a bicycle over there.
Are you okay?
So it brings back a lot of memories to be back in the city, but I'm excited. I think we really lucked out.
So how do you feel sleeping in such a small space with me? Can you handle it?
Well, we make sure to spend some time apart, so I think you're gonna go to the co-working space.
Yeah, and you'll stay at the house, yeah.
Yes. It's close quarters. Maybe a studio or a loft isn't for everyone. This is one of the best apartments we've had. Now, Felicia says that she can handle. Would you guys do that? Could you spend 24 hours a day with your girlfriend or boyfriend? No. You have to be in love. All right, guys, that's it for our tour. Adios, amigos. Say bye to Felicia too. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.